Hello, everybody. I wanted to remind you about a few things for tomorrow's test. Yes, it is tomorrow. So this is your last worksheet to do before the test. Let's see. One of the first things is when you click on the link for the test tomorrow, and you will go into your regular algebra classroom, you will click on September 23rd's assignment, and in the to-do list, it'll say, September 23rd test. So you'll click on that. It won't be open until the beginning of your class period. So be aware if you click on it and nothing pops up, it's because I have not opened it yet. So you have to do it during your class period. So be a few minutes before your class period, get online, get your Zoom meeting going, and then be ready to click that link. Okay, so you're gonna get the Zoom meeting going first. You can minimize the Zoom meeting, and then you can go in and find your classroom and be ready on that test link when it's ready to open. Now, on that test link, once you're inside there and you're ready to take the test, there's for those of you that are oral takers, that someone reads it to you, you can click on the little icon next to the question and next to the answers. It almost looks like a little speaker or somebody speaking. You can click on that and it will read it to you. Okay, so those will have that if you have that option available to you. Let's see, what else do I need to tell you? So we know that. Work on this. Oh, we're gonna work a little bit on speed today, just because you want to try to get all 12 questions done in a 45-minute time. You may run a little bit over. That's okay. Let's see, what else do I need to tell you about this? Oh, never mind. I knew I had some stuff up here to do ahead of time. Go ahead and go in today and take a picture of the Unit 1 posters with your phone. That way, when you're taking the test on your laptop, you have your phone next to you and you can see the posters. And these are all those posters. They remind you about open circle, closed circles, smaller, bigger on the number line, the steps to solving equations, and the exception on your inequality, as well as what does it mean to simplify when you simplify one side, like terms of distributive, and here's some examples of a distributive property. So you have that on your phone to look at while you're taking the test. The other thing, so go ahead and do that ahead of time. Don't wait and burn up your test time doing all these things that you should do ahead of time. Write down somewhere on a piece of paper that's right there with you on test day, your ID number and this password, lowercase WACO. When you actually click on the test link, it's going to say, okay, sign in, and it's going to want to know your ID number, and it's going to want to know this password, WACO, lowercase. All right? Now, there was a video at the beginning of today's lesson, the very first video. It was Mr. Settles telling you how to navigate through the test. When you click into the test tomorrow, it will have a video there that you can watch, but I would not waste test time watching that video. You should watch it today during this assignment. So back up at the beginning of today's assignment, the very first video was Mr. Settles telling you how to navigate through the test. So make sure you watch that today so you're not wasting time tomorrow. If you need to, hit the back button and go back to it. When you finish today's worksheet, it's all practice stuff, so there's no lesson that I'm going to give you today. You just want to work all the questions. Check your answers. There's a little link to check the answers down there, so make sure you check your answers. And if there's anything you don't know how to do, get with me today before the test tomorrow, okay? Good luck on the test. I know you're going to do fine.